Welcome to Webstyle Press. How to loop inside React JSX. Let's take an array with the name items. I want to display all the items in JSX. I will show you two ways to do it. First is map method. So items.map, item index, and then here will be the li. It should have a key, unique key. Let's use index, and then here let's display the item. Apple, banana, cherry, date. So this is the map method. We used items.map to loop over the items array and return li, element for each item. The key attribute is used to give each list item a unique identifier. In this case, we are using the index of the array element as the key. The key attribute is necessary to help React identify which items have changed and added or are removed. Okay, this is how we can loop inside React.js by using map method. But there is another way also. We can use for loop. Let's remove it, and here let's take a list items, empty array, and here for loop. Items.length I++, list items.push li, key I, items I, and then here let's print list items. So we created an empty array, list items, and then we used push method to add each li element to this array. We iterated over these and pushed each item with li inside this empty array. And then we render list items array inside JSX like this. Let's see. Yes, here's the result. Same. So here we used a for loop, but not inside JSX. You can't use a for loop directly inside JSX because JSX expects expressions and for is a statement. In JavaScript, an expression is something that produces a value, while a statement performs an action but does not produce a value. JSX only allows JavaScript expressions to be embedded, such as function calls, object properties, or map method, which returns a value, an array in this case. So map, filter, inline conditional expressions like ternary operator are allowed in JSX, but for loop, while loop, if statements are not allowed in JSX. Thing we did here with the for loop is a workaround to use for loop in React JSX. Map is an array method that transforms each element in the array into a new form, producing a new array. Since map returns this array, it works seamlessly within JSX to render elements. But anyways, this is how we can loop inside React JSX, and I also explained why not for loop and why map method, so that too should help understand this whole concept. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.